Alright, I figured I'd do another alarm clock video. I'm going to try and make this quick. And this is in fact another Sears Tradition alarm clock that I got at the Goodwill shop last year for about $3. And it is in fact a model number 47193. Type 12 hours, 60 hertz, voltage, 120 volts AC, 4 watts, UL file, serial number, date sold, doesn't say, but made in Hong Kong, so this was probably maybe circa 1980. I'm honestly not sure. So yeah. So what I'm going to try to demonstrate how it's not really loud, but the sound is annoying. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. It beeps, so we'll try this again. Well, I tapped the snooze button and it's very, very sensitive, so yeah. That's that. An annoying alarm clock. A short video. This is probably going to be stupid. So till next time, let's get thanks for watching. Comment box is open.